Which is better, a recumbent bike or an upright bike? This question came up once when my wife and I were on vacation with a few friends. The resort we stayed in only had a recumbent bike in a small fitness facility. But one of my friends uses an upright at home and thinks it provides a more efficient workout than a recumbent bike. However, when you compare the two systems, they both offer their own share of benefits. If you'd like a closer experience to an outdoor bike or looking for a more complete aerobic workout, can handle the discomfort feeling of sitting on a seat with no back support, have very little space, and a small budget, an upright bike might be good for you. On the other hand, if you have back issues, comfort is important, you're looking for a leg and a butt workout, you want to sit on it for longer periods of time, you have a higher budget and more space, a recumbent bike might be better. As you can see, recumbent and an upright bike are good options for low-impact workouts. And as far as which one is better, that depends on the one that's going to keep you in the saddle working out.